Do you want to stay ahead of 97% of people in the AI field? We're living in the midst of an AI revolution. It's not just about robots and science fiction anymore. Artificial intelligence has become a significant part of our everyday lives, and its influence is only growing. From voice assistants that answer our questions to algorithms that predict our online shopping habits, AI is everywhere. This rapid development isn't just transforming our personal lives, but also the professional landscape. Every industry, from healthcare to finance, is harnessing the power of AI. As this technology evolves, so does the demand for skills to understand, develop, and leverage it. Staying ahead in this AI race is no small feat. It requires continuous learning and adaptation, but don't worry, we're here to help. Today, we will guide you through the 9 essential skills you need to master to stay ahead in the AI race. First and foremost, programming is the backbone of AI. It's the language we use to communicate with machines, the tool we use to shape raw data into meaningful insights. It's what allows us to create intelligent systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions. Without a solid foundation in programming, the world of AI remains a closed book. Now, when we talk about programming in the context of AI, certain languages stand out. Python, for instance, is a popular choice due to its simplicity and flexibility. It has a plethora of libraries and frameworks specifically designed for AI and machine learning, making it a powerful tool in the hands of an AI enthusiast. Then there's R, a language designed specifically for data analysis and visualization. Its statistical prowess makes it a favorite among data scientists and statisticians. So, whether it's Python's versatility or R's analytical strength, programming languages are your key to unlocking AI. Mastering programming is the first step towards becoming an AI expert. Statistics and probability, the language of uncertainty and prediction. Let's dive into the world of numbers and chance, where decisions are made not on certainties, but probabilities. Artificial intelligence thrives on this very concept. It's all about making educated guesses. Imagine a sea of data. AI is like a skilled swimmer, making its way through, looking for patterns, trends, and correlations. This is where statistics comes into play. It's about understanding the data, drawing meaningful insights, and making decisions based on that. But what about the future? That's where probability steps in. AI uses probability to predict outcomes, to anticipate the future. It's like a crystal ball, but instead of magic, it's powered by complex mathematical models. With every decision an AI system makes, it's essentially playing a high-stakes game of odds. That's why understanding statistics and probability is not just beneficial, but crucial for staying ahead in AI. Understanding statistics and probability is crucial for staying ahead in AI. Data modeling and evaluation, the cornerstone of AI algorithms. In the world of artificial intelligence, data is the lifeblood, and data models are the heart that pumps it. You see, AI algorithms rely heavily on data models. These models, which can be visual or mathematical representations, allow algorithms to learn from and make predictions about the world around them. Think of it like this. Data modeling is akin to constructing a map. Just as a map helps us navigate unfamiliar territory, a data model helps an AI algorithm navigate through vast amounts of data. It's a guide that shows the algorithm how to interpret the data, how to learn from it, and ultimately, how to make predictions based on it. Evaluation, on the other hand, measures the performance of these models. It's like a report card telling us how well our AI is learning and predicting. Data modeling and evaluation are key to developing effective AI models. Machine learning, the heart of AI. Imagine a toddler learning to recognize shapes. They see a triangle, a circle, a square, and over time they learn to differentiate them. Now imagine an AI doing the same with data. This is the essence of machine learning. It's a method of data analysis that automates the building of analytical models. Machine learning is the engine that drives AI systems, enabling them to automatically learn and improve from experience. It's used in a wide array of applications, from self-driving cars, learning to navigate the road, to recommendation systems learning your preferences to suggest your next favorite movie. Machine learning algorithms learn from data. The more data they process, the better they become at predicting outcomes. They're like sponges, soaking up information and becoming smarter with each new piece of data. To excel in AI, it's crucial to master machine learning. It's not just about understanding the algorithms, but knowing how to apply them to solve real-world problems. Mastering machine learning is essential for anyone aspiring to excel in AI. Neural networks mimicking the human brain. Now that's a statement that packs a punch. Neural networks are a set of algorithms modeled loosely after the human brain, designed to recognize patterns. They interpret sensory data through a kind of machine perception, labeling or clustering raw input. They are the driving force behind the decision-making capabilities of AI. Imagine a neural network as a complex web of interconnected nodes called neurons, much like our brain's neural network. These neurons are organized into layers, and each layer transforms the data it receives before passing it on. This data transformation is how a neural network learns to recognize patterns and make informed decisions, whether it's recognizing your friend's face in a photo or understanding your voice commands. Neural networks are at the heart of it all. They are the brains behind the AI brawn. In essence, understanding neural networks is key to unlocking the full potential of AI. Ethics, the guiding principle of AI applications. As we continue to develop and implement artificial intelligence, ethics becomes a critical consideration. It's not just about creating smart machines, but also about ensuring these machines operate within a framework of fairness and respect for human values. AI ethics encompasses a broad spectrum of considerations. It involves making sure that AI systems are transparent, fair, and accountable. It means ensuring that AI respects privacy and fosters inclusivity, preventing biases that may inadvertently creep into AI algorithms. AI ethics also involves considering the potential societal impact of AI, how it affects jobs, privacy, and even our social structures. We must guide AI development thoughtfully, keeping in mind the potential risks and mitigating them. In a world where AI is becoming increasingly prevalent, understanding AI ethics is not just important, it's essential. So remember, AI ethics is a must-know skill for anyone involved in AI. Natural language processing, helping machines understand human language. This skill, often abbreviated as NLP, is a cornerstone of artificial intelligence. It's all about teaching machines to comprehend, interpret, and respond to human language in a way that's both meaningful and contextually appropriate. Picture this: you're talking to your virtual assistant, asking it to play your favorite song or to give you the weather forecast. It's NLP that makes this interaction possible. By processing and analyzing your words, the assistant can understand your request and respond accordingly. But NLP isn't just about understanding language, it's about generating it too. When your virtual assistant responds to you, it's using NLP to craft sentences that are grammatically correct and contextually relevant. This skill is not only fascinating but also critical in our increasingly digital world. From chatbots to voice assistants, NLP is everywhere. Mastering natural language processing is crucial for creating intelligent AI systems. Robotics bringing AI to life. On the grand stage of artificial intelligence, robotics plays a starring role. It's the puppet master that animates AI, taking abstract algorithms and breathing life into them in the physical world. Picture this: a self-driving car navigating city streets, a drone delivering packages, or a surgical robot performing intricate procedures. These are all examples of robotics in action. While AI provides the brains, robotics provides the brawn, enabling AI to interact with the world in ways we once only dreamed of. It's about more than just mechanical movement. Robotics involves sensory perception, decision-making, and physical action, all working in harmony. But why is understanding robotics so crucial? Simply put, it allows us to create tangible AI applications. With a solid grasp of robotics, we can design intelligent systems that not only think but also act. Systems that can change our world, solve real-world problems, and even save lives. Understanding robotics is key to creating tangible AI applications. Cognitive computing, making machines think like humans. This is our ninth and final skill, and it's all about giving machines the ability to emulate our very own thought processes. Cognitive computing is a cornerstone of artificial intelligence. It's the technology that lets AI systems understand, learn from, and interact with human users in a more natural, intuitive way. Imagine a machine that can not only understand your words, but also your intentions, emotions, and context. With cognitive computing, this isn't science fiction, it's a reality. It's this technology that powers AI systems, from chatbots to virtual assistants, enabling them to interact with us in a human-like manner. Cognitive computing combines a range of AI disciplines, including machine learning, natural language processing, and even elements of robotics. It's a complex and fascinating field, but mastering it is crucial. Because in the end, mastering cognitive computing is essential for developing advanced AI systems. These 9 skills are the pillars of AI. They are the foundation upon which the future of technology is being built. Programming, the backbone of all digital technologies, lets you communicate with machines. Statistics and probability, the twin engines of predictive analysis, help you make sense of data. Data modeling and evaluation, the compass guiding you through the sea of information, ensures your decisions are informed and accurate. Machine learning, the magician's wand, lets you conjure up intelligent systems that learn from experience. Neural networks, the brain of AI, mimic human thought processes to solve complex problems. AI ethics, the moral compass, ensures that the AI revolution benefits all of humanity. Natural language processing, the translator, allows machines to understand and respond to human language. Robotics, the hands and feet of AI, enables automation of physical tasks. Finally, cognitive computing, the soul of AI, aspires to replicate human intelligence in machines. Master these 9 skills and you'll be well on your way to staying ahead in the AI revolution.